this dance and stuff like that. So as you can see, the males, they're very close to each other.
Yes,
so they're really impressing the female.
Look at a bunch of them over here. Oh, look here.
No noise or anything disturb them from mating?
No, they're very friendly bird. Very much accustomed to seeing the boat. All these adult birds, they're born right here. You know, they sit in the boat for 6 years. No matter how close we get to them, they're not sitting at them, they wouldn't try to move. Okay, no, most female, when they have been baby, they're very little bit aggressive.
Oh, okay. Look at this one, he's blowing. Yeah, blowing.
That's good.
He's gonna pop.
But there's too many finds a partner.
See,
Oh,
never
really?
find a partner.
You're going to suck it up because remember you have to eat.
Oh.
You're going to play around. So you're going to try like less than 3 days. You're going to try it out for like
3 days.
Are those jellyfishes?
You're going to suck it up, play around, get something to eat. You know? You're going to try it to get a little bit bigger, a little smaller. You're going to try it in different ways until when you get a pick.
He's ready.
And if you try it in this particular spot and nothing works here,
You go into another spot.
Another spot. Oh. Nice. Wow. Nice. Look at juvenile. Nice to meet you.
from September and finish April.
That's a long time.
We have over 30,000 birds nesting here.
Then I get to all the season.
So when they finish mating, will they go back to South America?
Galapagos Island.
Oh, okay.
There's a small colony over there, Anguilla. They're just a small, just birds.
Oh, there's one.
Trans them to come here.
The mangrove.
No, they live here. Only the males migrate. These birds live here. Only
The females in here.
the females always live because the females don't have any time to leave. Because as soon as mating season is over, she has a baby to deal with. And as soon as the baby starts fresh, it's about mating season to start again.
Oh.
It's the male side.
Females migrate.
The male go over there to look for the woman. Get baby over there and then come back.
Yeah.
Only the male.